Hey there, Pimple Poppers. While I show you the top 5 Pimple Pops this year on Reddit, I want to let you know that we have a Prime Day deal on RESTMORE. That's right, we have a huge price reduction on a 2-pack of 30-day RESTMORE. Available all week, we're dropping the price to celebrate our loyal subscribers. So check out these top pops from Reddit, then click through the link below for a huge discount on RESTMORE. Here you go. And stick around for a bonus pop at the end of the video.
Okay, so I tried RESTMORE about a month ago was when I started trying it. By the first time taking it, it made a huge difference. Now I've been taking it every single night for a month and it has worked amazing. I've been able to sleep every single night and it has helped me so much with work and everything. So I love it and I highly recommend it for everybody.
RESTMORE is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get RESTMORE. Now available on Amazon.